this is an ongoing situation. I've reached out to the Kenora courthouse who can't help me. So now I'm supposed to be attending a hearing tomorrow morning. I can't get out there, so I'm going to be hitchhiking in this.
Okay, I already spoke with you today with my supervisor, and we tried to help you all that we can.
Well, yeah, like I don't know what else to do.
Okay, but we spoke with you already, and you spoke with the inspector at Kenora, so like I'm not really sure.
I'm sorry.
We can do for you.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. I can't really hear you.
Okay, I spoke with you earlier, and you advised me that you already spoke with the inspector in Kenora, and I put you through to my supervisor, and he tried to help you. But like, if we've all tried to help you, I'm not sure what else we can offer.
Well, the thing is, like, I know hitchhiking in Ontario is not allowed, but at the same time, I don't have any other options. So my only option is to hitchhike. So I don't know, like, I need to get to this hearing. And
okay, but what I'm saying is, like, you have spoken to multiple police officers, high-ranking police officers, and they cannot assist you. So I don't know why you keep calling back if we don't have any other resources to give you.
Well, because I would like to speak to somebody in regards to this.
But you've spoken to multiple somebodies. You've spoken to inspectors. You've spoken to surgeons. Like,
what
you expect to talk to that will give you a different answer.
What is your name?
No, I'm not going to give you my name.
Okay, well then can I speak with your supervisor?
You already spoke with my supervisor, though.
Okay, but can I speak with somebody else? Because if you're not going to give...
I don't have any folks to send you to. I only have the one supervisor here today.
Okay, well then can you patch me through to the Kenora detachment?
You already spoke with the inspector, though. And he's not going to be there right now after office hours there.
So you're refusing to let me speak with people?
No, I'm just saying that the people you're looking to speak with, like, I can pass you through to my supervisor. It's going to be the same guy you spoke with earlier. Do you want to speak with him again?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay.
So this talks about how only certain people are permitted OPP's assistance. I don't think they're going to answer.
Hello, Supervisor.
Hi.
Hello, how can I help you? Sergeant Pye here.
I'm having a really hard time hearing you.
Is it better?
It's really crackly. Okay, so I'm heading out onto the highway very shortly, like in the next few minutes.
Okay.
I really don't know what else to do. I've called the court office to try and get to try and get access to a computer. They told me that I have it in email that isn't going to be possible. I've had like literally the radio station putting an outreach for help. Like I don't know what else to do. And
you're trying to get to
sorry?
You're trying to get, I understand you're trying to get to a court hearing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Do you have a lawyer?
No, not presently.
No. Are you currently in Ontario and you're trying to get to Manitoba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have access to the internet?
Sorry?
Do you have access to the internet?
Yeah.
Because what
you could do is tomorrow morning get a hold of a legal aid lawyer and have them call the court for you and let them know that you won't be able to make it, and have a lawyer appear on your behalf and get you a new court date.
The problem is it's not criminal, and it's a professional matter, and legal aid will not deal in that area. I've already tried.
Okay. I don't know what else to tell you then.
And the court hearing is at 9 a.m. So, like, unless, like, I don't know what else to do. Like, it just seems like hitchhiking literally is my only option at this point.
But it's a professional hearing?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Can you get a hold of the courts and let them know that you're not able to make it?
I got a hold of the lawyer, Ian Scarth, who basically told me that my life is worth nothing and that I have to go to this hearing. And I'm not even kidding you with this. I can send you the email.
Okay. And then what are the repercussions if you're not able to make it? Are you able to get another date?
No, he said that the hearing would go on without me if I wasn't able to make it.
Okay. And what are you looking for the police to do for you this evening?
Well, literally at this point, my only option is either to hitchhike out there or get some help from somebody to, like, call this lawyer and say, she's trying and there's nothing she can do.
Yeah, I don't know if hitchhiking is the safest thing to do at nighttime.
Well, of course it's not. I'm not an idiot. Like, I realize it's not safe, which is why I'm calling OPP, because my life literally will be put in danger. But I have to get to this hearing. Otherwise, I need an adjournment.
Yeah. Well, if they go ahead without you and you have a valid reason and multiple attempts to let them know you can't make it, you can appeal and have a new hearing at a later date.
But that's an appeal. Like, I can't miss this hearing.
Okay.
And with an appeal, they can deny the appeal. Like, I can't risk that. Like, this is my livelihood. I can't risk it. Like, literally, one way it is my life, and the other way it's literally my life.
Well, I'm at a loss for what the police can do for you tonight.
Well, you could call this lawyer and say this is kind of unreasonable to expect her to hitchhike.
And how long have you known about this hearing?
I just started a new job. I wasn't able to take time off work, and I told them this, and I gave them a whole list of reasons why I need an adjournment. And this morning they only got back to me saying that the adjournment wouldn't be accepted. It was only this morning that they got back to me.
Well, I don't know what I can do for you because it's almost 5 o'clock there.
You can call him. You can call him. He's probably in the office for another 10, 15 minutes, hopefully. But the only other option I have is going out on that highway.
I don't know what more is going to happen if I phone him and tell him that you need an appeal.
Well, if you don't try, my only option is the highway.
Okay, well, I don't know the reason that you can't make it and the whole backstory behind it. So
no offense, but it takes but it takes like 30 seconds to pick up a phone and call somebody. Meanwhile, you've got somebody on the other end who is going to be going out on the highway in the matter of minutes. Now you can sit there and you can make excuses and try to rationalize why you should not do this, or you can actually help me. Because the clock is ticking on the time where he's going to be in the office. And you and I both know that.
I understand that, but I don't know the whole backstory behind it, and to
What
call
you
them
do,
and
what
ask
you
if
do
it's
know,
for you.
what you do know is that we have spoken multiple times. What you do know is that I
Well,
I
this is
will
the first
be.
time I spoke to you today.
Oh, okay. Well, she told me that she was going to pass me through to the supervisor that I spoke with previous. But what you do know is that I'm going to be going out on that highway. What you do know is that a lawyer who has the ability to adjourn a hearing is going to be out of the office in the next 10 minutes. So you can pick up the phone and actually help me, or you can make excuses not to. And the backstory is irrelevant at this point, because what you need to know is I can't get to that hearing right now without hitchhiking. Those are the most important details.
Well, I understand that, but there's got to be some things that you could have done to deal with this prior to the night before.
I only got the information this morning that he was not going to adjourn, and we've already been through this. You're wasting time. Meanwhile, I need your help. It is 4:50 right now.
I'm going to phone a lawyer and ask them for an adjournment for you.
Okay, well then I'll be going out on the highway and hitchhiking. I wish you had told me that right off the hop.
Well, I recommend against hitchhiking. It's against the Highway Traffic Act, and it's very dangerous.
Well, you know what? I also need to get to that hearing. Give me another option. I would take any other option, but you're not giving me anything to go on.
Well, I can tell you right now that hitchhiking is against the Highway Traffic Act. It's an offense, and it's very dangerous.
And I also have a hearing that I have to get to in Manitoba, and I have been trying nonstop to get somebody to help me. And nobody has been helping me. So give me another option.
Well, I don't know anything of what's going on, but I do know that you shouldn't be hitchhiking.
Well, of course I shouldn't be, but what other option is there? Give me any other option.
Phone the lawyer and ask him for an adjournment.
I did. I emailed him and he refused.
See if there's another counsel or another lawyer that can act on your behalf to get you an adjournment.
The hearing's at 9:00 tomorrow morning. There is no time. I'm out of time.
I don't know what else to tell you here.
Okay, well, then I'm going to hang up and I will go out on the highway. There's nothing else I can do.
Okay. Well, I can just recommend against that.
Well, you can recommend it all you want, but I need to get to that hearing. Okay. And there you have it. No help from the OPP. Only the threat of possible fines or whatever. All for trying to make it to a hearing.